One of my favorite ways to experiment in the kitchen is by making unique and delicious beverages. Whether it's herbal teas, coffees, or lattes, I enjoy making them all. Today, I'm going to share with you 3 of my newest hot drinks. This drink is inspired by Vietnamese egg coffee. The thought of having eggs in a hot coffee may sound a little peculiar, but it is absolutely delicious. To a small saucepan, combine 1½ cups of cool or room temperature coffee, 1 egg yolk, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, 1/8 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. Whisk everything together and transfer the pot to the stove. Gently warm the mixture on medium-low heat, vigorously whisking the coffee. You don't want to stop whisking or the egg will curdle. The coffee will begin foaming as you heat it and whisk it. Remove the coffee from the heat once it is warm. Transfer the coffee to a mug, top with cinnamon, and enjoy. The egg yolk brings an unusual creaminess that you just can't get with milk. The maple syrup and the cozy spices makes this drink a delightful change from the average coffee with creamer. This vibrant green drink is warm, slightly sweet, and creamy. The earthy flavor of matcha can often be overpowering, but not in this case. In our household, even those who don't usually prefer matcha enjoy this treat. First, combine 1/4 cup of boiling water and 1 teaspoon of matcha powder in a mug. Mix that together and set it aside for later. To a saucepan, combine 1 cup of whole milk, I'm using raw milk, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Transfer the mixture to the stove. Gently warm the milk on medium-low heat. Continually whisk the milk until it is warm and a bit foamy. Remove the milk from the stove and pour the milk mixture into the matcha. I'm topping it with some homemade whipped cream and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Matcha is packed full of antioxidants, chlorophyll, and many other essential minerals. The milk brings a lovely creamy flavor along with some protein and healthy fats. Now I want to share with you a decadently creamy, protein-packed hot chocolate. This cocoa is not your average Swiss Miss. With its warm spices and gentle chocolate flavor, it has quickly become one of my favorite drinks. To a saucepan, combine 1 cup of whole milk, I'm using raw milk, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder, a splash of vanilla, a sprinkle of cinnamon, a sprinkle of cayenne pepper, and 2 scoops of collagen powder. Either bovine or marine collagen will work, or you can completely omit the collagen if you want. Whisk all of the ingredients together and transfer the pot to the stove. Heat the cocoa on medium-low heat, mixing constantly with an emerging blender. Once the cocoa is warm, transfer it to a mug and enjoy.